Okay guys, this is just a quick rundown on how to use your Daikin controller, model BRC1E63. Now, in order to change the modes, we go to this button here, and as you cycle it over, right now you can see it is on auto, and it has chosen heat because it is set for 24 degrees and the temperature is lower than 24, so it has picked heat. If the temperature is higher than 24 degrees in the room, it will pick cooling. Now to cycle it away from auto, we just hit this button and it goes over to cool. Obviously cooling is self-explanatory, as is heat. There is also a fan only mode. This will not cool or heat the house. There is a dry mode, but this is basically cooling and helps take the moisture out. For your benefit, this would probably be best if we just use heating, cool, or preferably auto. That way you don't have to worry about the modes and you just set your temperature, which is by these buttons. This one goes up and this one goes down, okay? You can also change your fan speed from high to low and then back, okay? This middle button here enters into a menu. There's not really much you guys should need to go into here. If you start playing around with these settings, it can probably mess things up and make things a little bit more difficult. So my suggestion is try not to go into there if you can help it. To go back from any point, you just hit this back button here.